Over the years, we've made a lot of changes in our company. One thing that became really apparent as we were landing larger customers, we needed to have a more professional environment, a more secure environment. And so in 2008, we moved from Garden City to Meridian, and I bought the building directly across the street from the Meridian Police Department. We're kitty coordinator to the Idaho State Police. What it is a very thick, secure warehouse. It'd be very difficult for someone to break into our building. It's very secure here. And that's what I was looking for. When I was looking for, down the line in the future, the type of businesses I wanted to land, I knew security had to be high on the table of things that we needed to address. This last year, we landed an exclusive with the FBI, and to me, that was like the cherry. I mean, if the FBI can trust us, I feel like anyone can trust us. The reason we landed them is because, we're able to destroy data on site. We also guarantee if we don't do it on site, within 72 hours of us receiving it, all data is destroyed. 2009, our company, PC Recyclers, switched all downstream to only R2 certified companies, and we've stuck with that ever since. A lot of the key things to it, that there was a third-party audit that was going to be required of all R2 companies, and those auditors were to follow the entire downstream all the way to make sure that the stuff was being disposed of properly. It was a huge step for our industry, and for those of us that always wanted to do the right things, that's the route we went. And since then, we've had yearly on-site audits by a third party. We've chosen Perry Johnson. We've been working with them to keep us on track and make sure everything is staying, and we're committed to doing the right thing with that stuff. I feel it's important that customers understand the certification process, because the biggest thing is to really know where your stuff's going all the way to the very end. Anybody can say anything, but until they have a third party come in and come out on site and really see all your product, where it came from and where all of it went all the way to the end, it's hard to really know for sure who's doing what with what. We have a very secure hard drive wiping room that is another set of keys and locks that only select employees are allowed in. Because the hard drives are an interesting issue. It's one of our best resale items, but we definitely understand customers and their data and their concerns about data security. So I can tell you, as a software program that we do use to wipe drives, it's a program that writes zeros to every sector, it's 7 times, I believe. It's been approved by the federal government as being a clean program that there's no way information can be pulled once it's been gone through this process. We've had a lot of security measures over the last few years. I've added a 24-hour surveillance camera of the entire building that I can access over an IP at any time to see what's going on. The building is locked 24 hours a day. We don't allow people in the building unless I'm present. We do that because the customers we work with need it.